Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and clearing the work area so you can see thread paths clearly. Thread spool and bobbin direction matter. Thread misfeeds create loose loops, so rethread the top and bobbin following holders and guides. Once done, lower the presser foot to engage tension discs, then set the tension dial to a midpoint. This gives a baseline so you can assess whether looseness comes from top, bobbin, or tension assembly. Make sure to use the correct needle and thread weight for fabric. You now run a test stitch on scrap to see where loops form. On top means top tension is too loose. On bottom means bobbin tension is weak. If top is loose, increase top tension by 1 click, then stitch again. If bobbin is the culprit, remove case and turn tiny screw clockwise in 1/8 turns to tighten. Test after each change. Also examine the needle and feed dogs, because a bent needle or uneven feed can mimic tension problems. Fix those before final adjustments. You finish by fine-tuning until stitches sit balanced between layers. Threads should interlock in the middle of the fabric, not on one side. Once balanced, clean lint from tension discs and bobbin area, oil where manual advises, and replace any worn bobbin cases or needles. Make a long test seam at different speeds to confirm. If loose stitches continue, do this one key troubleshooting step. Change the needle and fully rethread both paths. Many tension problems trace back to a...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.